Hi viewers, this is Vetrivel. Today we can discuss about how to configure the Active Directory domain services and how to add the one Windows domain into AD. So let's begin. Now I am going to open the server manager, add and role based feature, click next, select the Active Directory domain services, add a feature, click next, click next, click next and install. It will take a few more minutes for installing. After the installation completed, we are going to promote this server as a domain controller. So by basically the domain controller is a centralized database. It is called the NTDS. So using that centralized database, we can able to authorize and authenticate the internal computers, users and a printer. The installation completed. Now we are going to promote this server as a domain controller. So now we are going to add the new forest. The domain name is a proper name. It should be the to label. So I am going to give the name info.com. This is the DSRM password. It is used to whenever the recovery or the restore your AD server means that time this password will be used. Click next. Click next. This is a default location for the NTDS database. And next. Now it is checking the pre-request check. So if you anything error means it will throw. So pre-request check passed. So then we are going to install. Now installation and configuration is over. Now server is restarted. After restarted server, we are going to log in as an administrator. Now we are going to log in as a domain administrator. Now we can say here, these are the tool: Active Directory, users and computer, and one more tool, Active Directory Administrator Center. So you can use either Active Directory user and computer and Active Directory Administrator Center. So here our domain is info.com. Here we are going to add the one device into AD. So I will go to switch the Windows 10. I will check the domain is reachable. Yes, reachable. I am going to system property. So now switch to our group. Switch to domain info.com. So now you are going to enter the administrator for your domain. Enter the credential. So welcome. Once I added the device into domain, you must restart the PC. Now switch to the domain controller and a refresh. You have successfully added your device into domain. Thanks for watching.